Welcome to Academic Writing, Ontology and Epistemology. We have 19 sessions in total, and the first session is Original Contribution to Knowledge. What exactly does this mean in layman's terms? The purpose of these sessions is to explain research and knowledge creation in the context of business research in very simple terms. Let us look at the purpose of scholarly research. The fundamental aim of scholarly research is to contribute to existing knowledge in ways that bring solutions to business research problems. Now, what is contribution to knowledge? How can you demonstrate original contribution to knowledge? There are a number of ways, and I'll be discussing these in the next couple of slides. The first way is by developing a new theory. There's more to that. Developing a new theory entails designing a study in a particular way that allows you to develop that new theory. But that's not our concern for now. For now, it's just to show you how to demonstrate new knowledge and contribute original and significant knowledge in your research. Another way is by bringing fresh insights to existing theory. This is not a linear process because you can start by developing new theory and then testing it, or you can test existing knowledge. And from testing that knowledge, you might be able to bring in fresh insights into that knowledge or existing theory, thereby developing new theories. Let us now look at theory itself. What do we mean by theory? Theory is made up of accepted facts that provide explanations of cause and effect relationships. Propositions make up theory. We will talk not in this session about how to develop those propositions, the scientific way of developing propositions, and assumptions. Theories have got assumptions. Some assumptions are not articulated in theory. For example, motivation theory. Motivation theory does not articulate an assumption of incentive, but it's an embedded assumption. There cannot be motivation without an incentive. Of course, the building blocks of theory are concepts, and concepts are made up of variables. Now let's have a look at additional ways to demonstrate original contribution to knowledge. You can do this by demonstrating a clarity of thought and a very clear understanding of existing knowledge in the field of your study. You can also demonstrate original contribution to knowledge by showing an understanding of the controversies and inconsistencies in your research or in the data that you're looking at. You can also show historical perspectives of how the theory that you have arrived at looked like in the past and how it is related to the current perspectives. You demonstrate contribution of knowledge by carrying out empirical work that has not been done before, or when you provide evidence that contradicts an existing model. Now, the science is in how to produce that evidence, but again, that's not the focus of our topic for now. Another way of contributing or demonstrating original contribution to knowledge is by having research that has policy implications, and these policy implications must show how policy gaps are being filled. You can also demonstrate original contribution to knowledge by implementing a theoretical principle showing how it can be applied in practice, or by applying knowledge with creativity, taking initiative, your own initiative and your own creativity, or by showing originality in designing the study and bringing forward in your writing implications derived from the new design. You can contribute to new knowledge by applying existing methods to new data or by producing new findings. You may even apply new methods to existing data or pose new questions that generate original and significant knowledge. Publishability is the truest test of unique, original, and significant knowledge. Because by publishing your work, your peers and experts in that field are endorsing the new knowledge that you're advocating. For deeper engagement and questions, join us live on Facebook every Sunday at 11 o'clock. See you soon. Thank you.